All right, here we go. Another video. My trusty Milwaukee. Those things are freaking awesome. All right. This is the touch-up spray, the flat black industrial finish for touching up any of the the stuff like on the paint and everything. Because I'm keeping the camouflage color on the vehicle. So, as in the other video, I already have the green. So I got the black, and eventually I'll get the brown. But I've kind of been holding off on spending money on certain things for now, because the whole shipping thing with getting the Humvee here real soon, because it should be, the EUC should be approved any day now. Actually, it really should be approved. Well, it should be approved by the end of the month, which is, like today, or I mean tomorrow, because I think the first is on Monday. But it is what it is with that stuff. Even though it should be by this weekend, it's the government, so you never know. But yeah, there's some issues with the shipping, and I've literally gotten bids from like $3,500 on up to like $5,500, and I mean like 15 bids in between there. And I had one low one of $1,835, which I was expecting around $2,000, which would be reasonable. But then that bid was retracted this morning for whatever reason. Like, I didn't know they could retract a bid, just like I can't retract a bid on the auction. Like, once you place a bid, that's like a legal binding thing. But the bid got retracted today, and that was the only reasonable offer. I still have the place I went with last time, like Global Transport Inc. or something like that, and they were good, and their price was fair. So I'll probably end up having to see what I can do through them. Anyways, that is, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's heavy. 100% nylon, 22% elasticity, the brake strength 35,000 pounds. It's a big toe strap. That's a nice little bag. Actually, it's a really nice little bag. Cool. I like things like that. That way, when you have them in your vehicle, they're kept in there nice and neat. Ooh, look at that pretty orange. Alright, so got a nice little Velcro thing to keep all that good. Definitely want to cut that off. Anyways, yeah, so it's a 3-inch wide strap, 30 feet long. Braking strength of 35,000 pounds, but I think working load, I think, is around 10 or 11,000. The Humvee weighs 6,400, I believe. The curb weight 6,400 pounds. So this will be a working load of almost twice that. Oh, that's right. No wonder this thing was so heavy. I totally forgot about this. This was, so there was a, yeah, this is nice. 3/4 inch shackles, 2 of them. They had a special 20% off or something like that, you know, at eBay, or not eBay, Amazon. You know, if you buy it within 4 hours or something like that. I was already looking at these anyways. So, so I got the shackles for free. But yeah, that's some thick stuff right there. And that's almost 1/4 inch. That's at least 3/16 though, at least. But yeah, this thing, and this, I think this slides wherever you want it to go, if I remember correctly. Oh, that doesn't really matter. Okay. That's not really necessary anyway about it. But yeah, this is some strong stuff. If, like, so this will basically, you know, I mean, if I need to tow somebody else, or if I need to be pulled out of something that I can't get myself out of, or a tree saver. So this around the tree, and then hook to it, and then that way you don't damage any trees. And it's wound up pretty tight though. I can imagine once this thing is undone and used, yeah, that's going to probably be a little bit difficult to get it back this exact way and really tight like that. Anyways, that goes back in there. Oh, there's lots of room though. There's extra, so when you undo it, it doesn't go back as good. It'll still have plenty of room, so it should be fine. But that's some really good stuff there. I spent a lot of time researching these things to find the best stuff I could, or at least the best of what was available. Same company, all top 4x4 accessories. And this is synthetic winch rope with a forged hook. Little bit less strength than that, but this is like the strongest stuff you can get here. Well, I'd say take that back. So it's a whole thing that kind of sucks because you'll have different lengths of this. And so it's like, oh, you want something stronger, but then the rope isn't as long. So, yeah, so this is the, is that 1 inch rope? No, that's not 1 inch. Oh, that's the, well, it says it's supposed to be 1 inch. This isn't 1 inch rope. There we go. 1/2 inch. So that's right, it's 92 feet. And I believe this is something where the strength of this is somewhere around 10 or 11,000 pounds, like working load as well, is that stuff. I mean, that's probably, working load is probably more because that's 35,000 brake and this is 3150 brake. Well, 31,500 brake. Okay, now that smells weird. I undid it. Yeah, that's funny. But yeah, so this is the 1/2 inch rope, 5 inch sliding sleeve, but you got this big old deal here, and you got this. See, now for what I'm doing, I don't know, maybe for what I'm doing, I will probably drill that out. I think I'll probably need to drill that out to 3/8 of an inch or so. Because that would just make life a lot easier and quicker for how I'm going to use it.